Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include parking assist system, keyless ignition, premium sound system, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Challenger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light.